ECOS, the Environmental Clearinghouse, and Mohawk Hudson Land Conservancy have teamed up with the CDTA to bring a limited nature bus trolley service to Schenectady. During 3 weekends this summer, they had a free bus service and free programming at natural spaces within Schenectady County. The Schoharie River Center was invited to talk about the ecology of the Washout Creek during the nature bus trip to the Sandsers Preserve in Glenville. We presented macroinvertebrates found in the creek, identified them, and talked about their importance. We also walked participants through a few chemical tests on the water quality of the creek.
So, if you want to look through it, can you see anything there?
So that's a good sign. We want to see the native.
Yeah, that's a good help.
Definitely. So here we got one right there. That microscope. Determined by the temperature. So the colder the water is, the more oxygen it can hold. So and the other thing that tells me that it's caddis flies. So what those little circular things are, they look like donuts.